Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, I want to say thank you for clicking through. Thank you for choosing my video to learn how to create designs that sell on print on demand sites. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this video. For those that have been watching me and supporting my channel, I really want to say thank you. We are up to 611 subscribers already. We started this channel in January, so we are doing well. I really want to appreciate you guys. I want to say thank you for all the support and all. Yes, since you must note, I use Canva for my t-shirt design. I used to use Photoshop in the past, but most guys complain of it being too expensive and hard to learn. So now I moved over to Canva, and I've been using Canva for majority of the videos since then. So I'm going to be using Canva for this one. So if you're interested, make sure you stick around, join me on this one. Please, I will advise you, if you are serious about print on demand, making passive income while you sleep, then please watch this video to the end. It's going to be a short one. It's not going to take your time. So we're just going to open canva.com on a new tab and work from there. So I'm going to open canva.com. It's a simple, you don't need to download any software to use Canva. You already know that if you know that. But if you don't know that, I'm telling you for the first time, you don't need to download any software. It works on Chrome. So you just open the URL, click on create a new design. You can open on a new tab. So custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard. You create a new design, opens on a new tab, and this is where we're going to be making our design from. Super easy to use app or interface, anyone you wish to call it. Some people still call it an app. I call it an interface because we are going through the sites, going through canva.com to design this. So without wasting much of your time, we're going to go and make some design. And I'll need to tell you, this is Canva Pro. I use Canva Pro for my design. If you're serious about print on demand, once again, Canva Pro, you need to have a Canva Pro plan. Yes, you need to have a Canva Pro plan, and you can also get that. I'll tell you how to get that at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around so that you don't miss that. So now we'll just go to Elements. Now we're going to be doing something really cool and simple. It sells, are in demand. So we're going to be doing what they call campaign are in demand. You're going to get something from this. So let's just go look for an element. Note some of them are pro, so you might have to pay, but I'm going to show you how to use this. So I'm going to use this one for this shirt. I'm going to use this one. So just make this a little bit wider, bigger. So to do that, I'm just going to increase this and I'll move my cursor to this edge, and I'll drag that outward. So now we have that placed in the middle. As you can see, the guide shows us it's in the middle, so we are good. We want that there. So the next step will be to bring in our text, because I don't just want it to be a what do I call it now? I don't just want it to be an element based t-shirt. I want to put in some words, so I'm just going to find a good font for this. So let's use this one. It's a pro font. As you can see, it says pro, so I'm going to be using this one for this design. I'm going to make it bigger. So now I'm just going to ungroup, because as you can see there are two different texts for some reasons. I'm just going to ungroup that. So do ungroup, click outside, you click to this place and just click this one and delete that. So we're just left with this one. Do Ctrl A to highlight it. So this one is going to say, let's go campaign. So you see, it's not super hard. So you see, we're just going to drag it out like that. We're just going to drag it out like that. So I'll just add my apostrophe. Don't miss that. So now I'm going to reduce this a bit. So over my mouse to this edge and just drag that inwards. So now we just have that says let's go camping. like that. So you might want to leave it at blue, or you might just want to change it to, so you might just want to change it. Let me see if I can send it backwards and just make it like this. Okay, I like it like this. So now you can decide to change the color. You can try to change the color to match closely with, as you can see, let's try to make it match closely with the camping tent. Let's try to match it with the camping tent. So just try and move it a bit, okay, so that I can match the camping tent. Yes, this is close. It's more of orange, I think. Okay, we close. So you can see first this element was a paid element, and this let's go camping was also a paid element. So now, as you can see, it took us about 6 minutes. We are 6 minutes into this design and we got something out. I would like to add some little elements to the side to just give it a little feel. So I'll go back to elements, camping again, and just look for a fire stand kind of. So this is a pro one. I'll just click on this. I'm gonna reduce this and just bring it out. So like that. So just make it here and move it backwards, send to the back like that. So now you can see we have that just on the shirts. I can duplicate it and bring it to the other side, or just leave it to be only one. As you can see, let's talk about this element. As you can see, there are a lot of elements you can get from. You can get a lot of elements from Canva, from canva.com. So it's more like if you use Photoshop for your designs, you may still need to, still have to get paid elements. But this one's the pro version. You can use your pro elements. You can use those elements in your design. You can use it to create your own unique designs. But what I do, I don't just use one element. I use 1, 2, or 3 elements. As you can see, I've used 3 elements on this one. I use 3 elements to create this design. Why do I do that? I do that so that I get my own unique element. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But I'll just tell you the advantage of Canva and Canva Pro. For the free ones are something people would have already used. Their element people would have already used in the past. So you want to always have a pro element to use for your design. And that is where I come in. If you check the link in the description, the first link, yes, the fourth link in the description. If you check that link out, you're going to see that you get 30 days free Canva Pro on me. So now it does not matter if you've already designed this with me doing that, but please don't use my exact design, because using my exact design, this would have already be up on my Redbubble, Teespring, and other print on demand sites, Match by Amazon and the rest. So you will not want to use my exact design. You might just want to change the color or change the elements, any which way you want to do it. But checking the first link in the description, you get 30 days free on Canva Pro on me. All you have to do is to follow that link. It's going to open a page like this. Then you go to accounts and sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to get 30 days free on me, upgraded to 30 days. And you're going to love using this Canva for your design. It's super easy. You get all your pictures. If you go to image again, we go to Cam and put in camping. So if we put in camping again, we're definitely going to get something. You can get pictures you're going to use for your image, hiking, campfire. As you can see, a lot of images you can use for your designs, and you're good to go using them. Then the other important step you want to have is you don't want this white background. You don't want this white background in your design. So if you're still watching me, I'll say thank you for still staying on this video. It's super important you watch to the end so that you don't miss any part. I always say this in all my videos. You want to get rid of this white background if you're serious about print on demand. So to do that, you have to be on Canva Pro. Check the first link in the description. So now we'll click on download. Then click on download transparent background. Then click on download. It's going to download for you to prepare your download, obviously, and it's going to download that. And you're going to know because it's going to download it. You're going to just watch this side of my screen, as you can see. So it's done downloading for me. So now if I click on that and show folder, see, I have it. See, simple, unique design. As you can see, let's go camping. It's a very simple and unique design. It didn't take us too much time to get this done, and we are good to go. And it took us about 10 minutes to get this done. So if you're interested, make sure you check the link in the description to get 30 days free on me, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed. One love.